Hello, guys! Today we're gonna read a summer fun story the night before summer vacation. See, after all our hard work in school, now the school might have ended for you guys. I don't know for sure, but I think it ended because today was my last day of school. I'm so happy. And I think you might expect the story to be like how the night will be before the summer vacation, like going on a trip or something. It's gonna be so fun. I think this is how most families are on the night before summer vacation. Let's get into the story. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the story. Let's get into the story. The night before summer vacation. Oh, look at that. Everyone is so crazy. The mom is like the I think it's the mom is coming out with her purse. The sister is like having a tennis bat, a football, a camera, skipping rope, flip-flops, and sunglasses on her head, on her face. Everyone's going crazy. Let's see what happens. It was the night before leaving on summer vacation. My family was bursting with anticipation. Whoa, that room is so messy. I think they're like on last minute packing. That's really messy. Dad made a checklist which he checked as he went with the bug spray, the backpacks, the umbrella, and tent. Whoa, they're going somewhere fun, I think. They need a tent. Oh, I think it's going to be camping because he's taking bug spray, tent, and umbrellas. And look at that, he's going a bit crazy, like he's holding everything in his hands. Mom grabbed the graham crackers and stuff for s'mores. Yummy s'mores. They're definitely going camping. We carried out helmets, the canoe, and the oars. Remember my raft, my snorkel, and bike, plus Pete's doggy bowls and Jimmy's new trike. Wow, I think they're gonna have a lot of fun. Down from the attic, our suitcases came. Mom whistled and shouted as if reffing a game. In bathing suits and flip-flops and sunblocks and hats, in flashlight and lounge chairs and wiffle ball bats. To the top of the pile, to the top of the heap, now pack away, 5 layers deep. Whoa, they're packing a lot. We stuffed and we filled every inch of the shelf. Like a water balloon, it started to swell. Whoa, they packed a lot. Done with our packing, we ate dinner at last. Finally, then we got out the scrapbooks of vacations past. There were photos of us at the Museum of Toasters. And my father and I riding fast roller coasters. Here's Jimmy on Bay and me with Paul Bunyan. And there's Mommy beside the world's largest onion. Wow, they went to some cool places. We laughed about trips we'd taken before. Our week at the beach did nothing but pour. It was so cold that we wore all our fleeces, but we finished the puzzle with 2,000 pieces. At last, it was time to climb into our beds, where visions of marshmallows danced in our heads. In the morning, Dad shouted, "Get up, rise and shine. It's 4:45. Let's leave here on time." Then, a few moments later, there arose such a clatter. We ran to the window to see what was the matter. But when what to our wondering eyes should appear but Dad, the camper, and a long trail of gear, he chuckled and said, "Let's hit the road before our camper decides to explode. That's a lot of things in the camper. Whoa! It's overflowing so much." We all squeezed in, then drove down our street. I suddenly cried out, "Yikes, we forgot Pete!" Oh no. Dad made a U-turn and Pete jumped inside. Now we were ready for the 10-hour ride. I heard Jimmy ask as we drove out of sight, "Mommy, are we there yet?" She said, "With luck by tonight." The end. Wait, guys, I hope you have a fun summer ahead of you. Bye. I'm gonna release lots of stories this summer, so please check out in our channel. Bye for now.